windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. Don't wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. Keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Mr. Whip, 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 get the guns out. Dropping bodies in the place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with this, I'm going to try. Cause when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a video gaming channel. I ordered the new Blue Elite Series 2 controller from QVC. This is very, very bad. Very awesome. I can't cuss. Rules and regulations. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video. And I'm gonna open it, so let's see if you guys can get my shoe out of here. Shoes off, I just got off work. Okay, so I'm gonna go over this way to the light more so we can see it. Okay, so let's get this thing open and I'm gonna do comparisons to the original black one. Hopefully you guys can see me. Oops, sorry. Let's see what we can do here for video. Nope, that's upside down. Actually, I don't have my phone today, so. Alright. Hopefully you guys can see it out of there. I was gonna get my GoPro to work, but I don't think it will work. So, and I will give you a closer look on it, see if as soon as I can get it open. I have the original white Xbox One controller. A little beat up because I had it for a while. I wanted another one and I saw this blue one, which is pretty cool. Save the packaging for just in case it doesn't work. The only bad part is, though, these don't come with accessories, though. That's the only sad part, I don't think. And it only comes for, like, a little short. It comes with, like, only, like, the front buttons. Let's see what we got inside. Shall we? If I can get this open. Come open! Okay. It's coming. Alright, got it open. And look at this. That is a badass controller. And now I have put that aside. Let's see what I've got inside here. The blue cord. I like it. And I think that's it. The instruction manuals and stuff. And then there's a key in there. We'll get that to that later. I'm just working on my bare feet. Sorry, I'll fix everything. That is awesome. I like that. Blue controller. Or that blue cord. Why's this thing not focusing? Oh, stupid. See, I put that down. There we go. Now back to the controller. My phone might be dying too, so I'm doing this on a low battery. This one seems a little bit lighter than the other one. Put it down. Get the traditional black one. Here's the black one. This one's a little bit more heavier than the blue one. I like it. Alright guys. What's up guys? This is going to be the end of my video. I'm going to throw this little clip in the video. I had to cut some of it out because all you guys can see is my mouth going like this. So I'll definitely catch you guys later. This is a pretty sick controller, I'd say. I will be using it to body some nerds on Call of Duty. So I will catch you guys on the flip side later.